What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. As you can hear, we got the Stihl MS-261C at full tilt, and this is part of building that garage over there. So what we're doing right now is we're cutting down some trees that can actually impact, or possibly impact, the shop build. If I want to cut down trees in the future, it'll be a lot more difficult. So we're taking care of that right now by cutting down some trees, and we're using the Kubota right here to actually push it. This is my preferred method of cutting trees down. I love it, so I'm going to show you guys how I do it. Hope you guys enjoy. So what am I using to cut this down? Like I said, that's the MS-261 chainsaw. We'll get close in a bit, but this is a Virnig skeleton grapple. Now this is used a lot for demolition work for metal, and it's done pretty well for me. I've used it extensively already. So all of that over there, all of that looked exactly like this. Lots of trees, a lot of stumps. I used this in combination with a couple other things to go ahead and take off all the roots and all the stumps. I think the last time you guys saw this, it wasn't as clean as this. We're obviously dirtying it up a little bit now with branches. We have to clean all that up, but we're waiting for gravel delivery, and unfortunately it's difficult to find gravel these days, same day delivery. So we have to wait a few days until gravel comes here. I'm getting 2A modified gravel. That's very compactful gravel to put right on top of this crappy clay soil. We're going to compact that. I want to show you guys all those steps, but for now, as you guys can see, all those tree branches and all those trees have been taken down by basically this crew right here. So that's my cousin. He's actually a structural engineer. He's the guy that knows concrete like the back of his hand. He's the one helping me build this. And my dad got experience, like 30 years of experience building houses. So, you know, I've got a pretty good crew. And with the skid steer, we're able to do a lot. So let's go take a look at the work area today. So already, you see right there, that was an oak tree. Pretty nice oak tree. I almost don't want to cut them down. That's another oak tree right there. We cut down. They were too close to the road, to the street, or my driveway, so they had to come off. They have to come out. This bush right here stays. And then what we're gonna do is, so we're gonna start cutting. So this tree, that tree, that tree, that tree, all the trees here that are a threat to the house have to go. Just a little close look here at the MS-261. This is an awesome chainsaw. Lightweight, powerful, love it. I recommend it. All right, hope you guys enjoy me watching these trees go down. So we've done a bunch of big ones you've seen. We've done some small ones. Got the small one right there. Now these look small, but they are pretty high. That's okay. I'm gonna keep on clearing this